we are on to the final stages of the Airfix Bentley blower build. In this episode, I will be getting the final assembly parts ready, the headlight guards and front arches, the stage instructions, and the parts cut out, ready to prepare. The front arches have ejector pin holes on the inside that need filling with sprue goo. After cleaning up the arches, fitted the support bars. Once the glue has dried a little, I will test fit them, and then get on with painting. The first coat of Humbrol Matte Black number 33, my usual 50/50ths mix with thinners. Then a thick coat of Revel Rubber Black number 9. Now, a coat of Humbrol Gloss Green number 3. A second coat of Gloss Green. Humbrol Gloss Coat Varnish. When dry, I can start working on the top of the arches. Cleaned up the top of the arches. On with the 50/50ths mix matte black. A second, 100% coat of matte black. The first coat of Gloss Green. The second coat of green. Was not happy with this coat, so filed down and repainted. The green is okay now, so applied the gloss coat varnish. I can get on with the rest of the parts now. The front number plate has ejector pin holes at the back, so filled with sprue goo. I'm using some very thin acetate to make the rim of the headlight guards, using the original parts as a template. The back of the number plate has been cleaned up and ready for painting. "100% matte black on the back of the number plate. Now to carry on with the guards. Making templates and cutting out the light guards. Making sure the mesh is cut with the right orientation. Glued in place using super glue. Will need filing when dry. After filing and smoothing, mounted on cocktail sticks, ready for painting. Painted a second coat of matte black on the number plate. When the weather got warmer, sprayed the Revel Chrome onto the guards. The guards in place, and gloss coat varnish on the back of the number plate. That's it for this episode. In part 38, episode 2, I will be fitting the parts. There are links at the end to watch the series from the beginning. See you soon.